My boxwood shrubs have developed dead spots. What is this issue, and what can I do to save the rest of the shrubs? All right, so the old boxwood, right? So you have, dying leaves. Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Well, based on the picture,
yeah,
it's it looks like a winter injury.
Yeah.
I mean, boxwoods did not like this sudden cold temperature drop that we had in December of this year. So, that's what it looks like to me. I had a boxwood hedge that had the same thing happen to it, and you could tell that where the wall was and the ones that were closer to the wall when the wind was whipping around got worse than the ones that were on the other side of that. So, so what we did was I just cut the dead out.
That's what I would do.
And because the sun would get down in there, and then they're starting to come back in the middle because the stems got sunlight and are reliefing out. So that's what I would do. I wouldn't dig them all up unless you just really have to, but I would cut the dead out and let the light and the air through it, and this spring fertilize it.
I was going to ask you about that.
Yeah, I would fertilize it in the spring and just see if you can't get that boxwoods to flush back out again.
Get some rejuvenation. See if that'll help. Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. I'll definitely prune out, the dead. I'm thinking winter injury. There's something else that comes to mind. I think you and I talked about this earlier. Volutella blight, will cause, dead leaves, as well. But the thing about Volutella is it's a fungus, but you can actually see the little salmon pink spores, right? And that gives you, it gives you the identifying characteristic of that fungus, right? Yeah. So if you don't see that, then it's probably not Volutella, but it is one that will cause, dead or dying, limbs and leaves and such. But I do think it's winter injury. Prune it. Yeah. I just prune it. It probably won't look good once you finish pruning.
No, and ours didn't either. But I tell you, you could see the green coming out in those bare spots. So
patience.
It's just just have to have a little patience.
Yeah, a little patience, and in the spring, like you said, give a little
fertilizer, and give it a little.
Get it jump started.
Yeah, get it going.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.